What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're discovering Redact my PDF. And so if you have a PDF with sensitive informations that you like to blot out before giving on to somebody, well, this is a tool for you. So this tool is going to allow you to redact your PDFs, but not just that, you're going to be doing that using AI as well. So while you stay in total control. So this tool is quite simple, quite straightforward. It uses OCR, object recognition, character recognition, object character recognition, OCR, and some AI tools to be able to help you redact your PDF. So you can pass in a PDF and just specify in the prompt what you like to redact or what you like to hide. And it's going to be able to detect all of that information in the documents and it's going to blot them out. So it's pretty straightforward. It doesn't try to do much. You can just go ahead and do something very, very simple. So you upload your PDF and then you just specify what you want redacted. So it's just a simple tool, not much going on. It does something just straightforward. So first 10 pages free, no sign up or card needed, supports 100 languages. So let's try to get a PDF and test it out. So I got a PDF. We're going to drag and drop it in here with some sample data. So start redacting. So it's reading my PDF. Our AI is carefully analyzing your documents and identifying sensitive information. This usually takes 2 to 4 minutes for most documents. So yes, here you have it. It has opened my PDF file and you can see some sample data in there. So now to redact it, how are we going to do that? So we can go ahead and select text. You can already select text. Maybe if you want to redact something, you can select the text here. It's kind of difficult to select. Then we have the option up here to find and redact. So let's kind of find a word that we want to redact. Let's say NAM. We want to redact this word. NAM sensitive. So redact all. So it's going to go ahead and search for that word and redact. So we found 2 iterations of that word and it redacted them. So let's try to redact some more. Let's go with something a little more common. Maybe this. Final redact sensitive. So it is going to go ahead and redact that. All right, it found 6 instances. So as you can see, it's easily able to find the different iterations of that word and it's able to redact them. So you can list the redactions. You can see all the things that have been redacted. And it selected this information automatically and it redacted them. I guess it's because this is sensitive location informations. That's why it did that. So review mode. So in the review mode, you can see the different things that have been redacted and we can choose to keep or we can choose to remove them. So once we are done, I think we can download as well. We can download the data and see it appear redacted. So as you can see, it has redacted the information and those lines have been blotted out. So looking at the tool, I'm wondering where the AI comes in because I guess the AI just comes in to identify location data because if it's selecting words don't necessarily need AI. You can just, I can just copy the word and make a search and I get all the instances. I don't need AI to select those words and redact them. So I'm wondering where the AI tool really comes into play. So this is quite interesting. So, but here you have it. You have an amazing tool that can allow you to redact their documents very, very easily to hide sensitive information. It's definitely a speed up. If I had to do this in maybe Word or a PDF editor, that would have taken me quite a while to be able to select everything, hide them behind black text and all the rest. So, but by pushing them to this tool, I definitely am able to do that very fast. It's a simple tool. People are really creating some amazing tools out there. First 10 pages are free. Document over 10 pages, $5, flat rate, any size, no subscription. I feel like it's a tool that somebody just vibe codes. It comes with a useful feature, It's very interesting. I definitely would have appreciated a tool that works locally. You have documents, you don't want to be sending your document to somebody's servers. So I would have definitely appreciated if it was a tool that work locally to avoid the sending your information just to somebody you don't really know. So we see the advanced AI redaction detection, smart AI that understands context and automatically identifies sensitive information across documents. Well, I guess maybe my document was too small, so it didn't identify so much data. But yeah, I guess this is it. So I think when I see that I can transition from pages and it still stores my information, that tells me that the information is stored locally. Because if it was stored on a server, it will mean that I will have to create an account for the information to be stored. But the fact that I can transition pages tells me that the information is stored locally. So that's a nice touch. And I don't understand why they don't make that more apparent here. They should really make it like your information is stored locally. It's not sent necessarily to a server. So I think one of these frequently asked questions maybe answers that. Is my data secure and private? All data are encrypted and stored in the EU, while my data is sent somewhere else. Well, if I have documents with sensitive information, I definitely don't want to be sending them anywhere. So it would have been better if they were storing this data locally, So let me try to refresh the page and see if the data is still available. So as you can see, even though I refresh the page, the data still remains available, which definitely means it is stored locally. So this tool definitely works offline as well. So it's very interesting, quite nice. So there you have it, an amazing tool, Redact My PDF. You can easily redact your documents in seconds. So check it out and let me know what you think. Thanks.